How to Win Friends and Influence People for Teen Girls by Dale Carnegie is a transformative guidebook tailored specifically for adolescent girls, navigating the complex social landscape of their teenage years. Drawing from Carnegie's timeless principles of human interaction, this adaptation offers invaluable advice on building meaningful relationships, boosting self-esteem, and becoming a confident and empathetic young woman. The book begins by emphasizing the importance of genuine, positive communication. It teaches young girls how to actively listen, show interest in others, and offer sincere compliments, all of which are essential for fostering lasting friendships. Carnegie's principles are presented in a relatable way, making them accessible and engaging for teenage readers. One of the central themes of the book is the idea that understanding oneself is key to influencing others positively. It encourages self-reflection and self-improvement, helping teen girls build self-confidence and develop a strong sense of self-worth. The book also addresses common social challenges, such as dealing with peer pressure, resolving conflicts, and handling criticism gracefully. Moreover, the book underscores the significance of empathy and kindness. It guides teenage girls in cultivating these qualities, which not only enhance their relationships, but also contribute to their personal growth. In essence, How to Win Friends and Influence People for Teen Girls provides young readers with practical tools and wisdom to navigate the often challenging social dynamics of adolescence. It equips them with the skills they need to develop meaningful friendships, boost their self-esteem, and become confident, compassionate, and influential young women. Dale Carnegie's timeless principles, tailored for a teen audience, serve as a valuable resource for personal and interpersonal development during the formative years of adolescence.